Next is x bar. So for this is for the first section. What is the total length in x-axis? The first section is 5.5. So x bar will be equal to 5.5 divided by 2. Correct? Next is y1 bar. If I take y1 bar, before entering the first section, how much length we have to travel in y-axis? So the height here it is 1.5. What is this height? 1.5 plus 4. 1.5 plus 4. That is, we have to take 5.5 plus half of the length in y-axis. Half of the length in y-axis. Half of the length in y-axis plus before entering the first length, how much we have to take? This is 2.75. This is how much? 5.5 plus 1.5 divided by 2. So what is x bar? I hope this is clear. If anyone is having doubt on this, let me know. Ask now itself. So this y1 bar, why we are taking 5.5 plus is before entering the section in y direction, the total length available is 1.5 plus 4. Yes, y bar again. So if you take y bar again, let us take before entering in y direction, we have 1.5 extra plus 4 extra. So we have to add these two, then only we'll be able to enter into this section. Already we have done few of the problems like this. This is my section. What is the distance between these two? Is nothing but 5.5. This is my section 1. What is the thickness of the section is 1.5. That is the reason we have taken 5.5 plus 1.5 divided by 2. Is it clear now? Roll number 303. You have asked this doubt. Is it clear now? Y bar. Okay. Next we will take second page. Next section how to take is second section. Let us draw the second section separately. Let us draw the second section separately. This is the second section, correct? This is the second section. This is my origin. So what is the height of this section? Height of this section is 4 centimeter. What is the thickness of this section? Thickness of this section is 1.5 centimeter. Now what is A2? A2 is equal to 4 into 1.5, which is nothing but 6 centimeter square. X2 bar is equal to before entering this section, how much length is present here? Check in your diagram. It will be 4 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter plus half of the length in x direction. What is the length in x direction? 1.5 divided by 2. So that is 4 plus 0. What is this? 1.5 divided by 2? 0.75, I think. So the answer is 4.75 centimeter. Next is y2 bar. Is it clear? Is this value clear? Correct? Please check. Is this value correct? You have to actively participate because we are doing a university problem. Please be active on this. So next in y direction, before entering y direction, this length is extra there. What is this length? This is 1.5 centimeter. That is 1.5 centimeter plus half of the length in this direction. So this is 1.5 plus 2, that is 3.5 centimeter. We got x2, we got y2. Next we have to find is x3. Let us draw the x3 section. Let us draw the x3 section. X3 section was like this, correct? So what is the length of this x3 section? This is 4 centimeter. What is the thickness of the x section? 1.5 centimeter. Now what is A3? A3 is equal to 4 into 1.5 because the formula is L into B. Few students are still lagging in formulas of area of rectangle, area of square, area of circle, area of semicircle. I have given all the formulas here in the offline classes. So you should be thorough with those formulas. If you are not thorough with the formulas, you cannot able to help yourself. Okay, x3 bar. So when I take x3 bar, before entering the value, we already have here 4 centimeter. You can check your previous sections. If you see the initial diagram, so see this. So this 4 centimeter is present before entering the third section itself. Okay, that is the reason we have to take 4 plus 4 plus half of the length in 4, that is equal to 6 centimeter. X3 bar we got. Now Y3 bar is equal to, Y3 bar is what? Already this section is connected to axis, so no need to add anything. We can directly take 1.5 divided by 2, that is 0.75 centimeter. Okay, we got the value of X3 also. Next is we have to take section 4. Section 4 was like this. This is actually touching the axis. What is the height we have found is this is 3 centimeter and the thickness of this is 1.5 centimeter. Now what is the area? A4 is equal to 1.5 into 3. Sir, you are writing one time this y-axis first. You can, because it is multiplication, b into l, l into b, both are same. L into B or B into L, both are same. Don't get confused. You are taking one time this, one time, no problem. Both are same. If it is multiplication, both are correct. Multiplication, addition is correct. If it is subtraction, then the answer will change. Okay. So the answer here, it will be 4.5 centimeter square. Next is X bar 4. So before entering this section, what is the length you are having? Let us go to the initial case. So see here. So before entering this section, this 4 is present. Before this 4, how much is present length again? 4. This 4 is also present here. 4 plus 4. How much? 4 plus 4 is 8. So before entering that section, we have already 8 length in x direction. We have 8 length in x direction. Okay. We have 8 length in x direction. I hope my screen is visible. 8 plus 1 point, very good, very good. 1.5 divided by 2, that is 8.75 centimeter. Similarly, y bar 4 is equal to 3 divided by 2, which is 1.5 centimeter. You got the values of x bar, y bar, everyone, x1, y1, you got the values. Everyone is following the notes, I think. So now tell me, x bar is equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 plus a4 x4 whole divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4. What is the value of a1? Fast. If anyone has done the calculations, please tell me the calculation directly instead of waiting for your answers. So if you have done the calculations, or else I will try to write all the values one side, because this is a university problem. I have not solved this previously. I am doing first time. So what is the answer you have got? A1 is equal to 8.75 things. Next, x1 is equal to, we have got it as 5.5 divided by 2, 2.75 something. So please check the values and solve this answer and tell me what is the total answer. I don't want to waste the whole time here. Again, I have to go to the previous slides every time. I don't want to see that. Iftikhar Ahmad, roll number Mehboob Hussain. What is the x bar value? X bar value is what is x bar value? No one is solving. How much you have got? You tell me the answer. Which value have to give, sir? Value nahi likhe. Which value have to give? You have given all the values. See the first, you note down this values first. What is A1 value I got? A1 value I got it as 8.25 and 2.75. Please note down these values first. Y bar is equal to 6.25 centimeter. Correct? 8.25, 2.75, 6.25. A2 is equal to 4.75. Y2 is equal to 3.5. Okay. Next, A3 is equal to 6. X3 is equal to 6. Y3 is equal to 1.5 divided by 2, that is 0.75. Okay. Very good. x4 is equal to this you have got. Okay, so what is the answer here? Everyone should get 3 point. Is it clear? Please check. 3.96 centimeter. This is the x bar. So this x bar is present like this. Now if your section is like this, the section is present like this. From this distance, it is present at a distance, sorry, what? Similarly, calculate y bar also. Sorry, I have made one small. Okay, this is all correct. I will tell you what we have done. Calculate this value also. A4 y4 divided by a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4. So what is the value you are getting here also? Tell me. Everyone getting same answer? I don't have calculator here. Please make it fast. So from x-axis means in this direction you have got the value to be at 3.16. So it will be somewhere around this because this total length is 4. So it should be less than 4 means it will be somewhere here. It will be somewhere here. And y-axis you have to find. Then we can able to find the CG. If you have any doubts, please ask me. You can chat in chat box or you can make a unmute yourself and you can ask me. This is a university question. Don't take it light. Yes, y is equal to, you have got 3.44 centimeter. This is y bar, correct? Now the y bar will be present like this somewhere here. So this is your CG. The CG location is 3.96 comma 3.44, 3.96 comma 3.44. Now we have to calculate moment of inertia. What is the moment of inertia formula we have seen? If it 3.38, 3.344, please check which is correct answer. It's a huge variation if it is 3.38 and 3.34. Please check once again. So if you want to show me the previous values also, I can able to show you. I don't have calculator. 6.25 is y bar, x bar is, this one is a1 is 8.25, 8.25 into 6.25 plus 6 into 3.2, 3.5. Next is 6 into 0.75. Next is 4.5 into 1.5. So what is the value you are going to get? Tell me. So few students are saying it is, let it be anything 3.38 or 3.44. Okay. Now if you want to find Ixx, if you want to find, very good strength is there today. If you want to find Ixx, so we have already discussed Ixx means you have to take y coordinate alone. That's the mistake I have made. Instead of finding the y coordinate, we can, sorry, x bar, we can have found the y bar itself. No need of x bar here because they have given here Ixx. That is a thing I missed here. If it is xx, you have to find only y coordinate. Ixx is equal to what you have found the formula Ixx1 plus Ixx2 plus Ixx3 plus Ixx4, correct? Is this correct? Everyone remembers this formula? Now what is Ixx1? Ixx1 is nothing but we have written the formula ICG1 plus A1H1 square, where H1 is equal to y bar minus y1. Whenever you write about y-axis, you have to take, sorry, x-axis, you have to take y coordinate. You have to take y coordinate. That is equal to, what is ICG formula? Since this is a rectangle, the formula is BH cube by 12. Here also you should take y coordinate of the first section. The first section y coordinate is nothing but length in y-axis, length in y-axis, that is 5.5 into 1.5 cube divided by 12. What is the answer? If you have any doubts, please unmute yourself. Is this clear till here? 5.5 into 1.5 cube divided by 12. What is the answer? You are getting this as 1.54 centimeter to the power of 4. Okay. Next we have to find is A1 H1 square. What is A1 value? We have got 8.25 into H1 is nothing but what? H1 you have, sorry, y bar minus y1. Y bar you have found it as 3.44 minus y1 you might have found it as, what is this length? It is 5.5 plus 1.5 divided by 2 means this is 6.25. You have got 6.25 the whole square. So what is this answer? 8.25 into 3.44 minus 6.25 the whole square. What is the answer? Leave this. You can directly do squaring, man. No need to write. So this value are getting it as 65.14 centimeter power 4. You got this values, substitute here. You got the ICG1 value here. You substitute here 1.5, 1.54 plus 65.14. So the answer you will here you will get it as 66.68 centimeter power 4. Correct? 66 point, this centimeter power 4 is the unit of the moment of inertia. We got Ixx1. Similarly, find Ixx2. What is Ixx2? ICG2 plus A2H2 square. Calculate H2 directly. H2 is equal to y bar minus y2. Y bar value is 3.44 or 3.38, which what we have taken in the last calculation. 3.44 are taken. Okay, no issues. 3.44 minus, what is the value of y bar here? Y bar value here is 1.5 plus 2, that is 3.5 the whole, sorry, 3.5. What is the value of this? H bar is equal to, H bar will be around 0.06, I think 0.06. So substitute here, then we will find ICG2 is equal to BH cube by 12. Now this second section was like this. Second section was like this. The height of the section is 4 and the thickness of the section is 1.5. Now see, you have only 10 minutes got now because my time is running out. Then if so happens, again you please join back. No need to worry. Once the meeting gets completed, again you join back to the same session. We'll be continuing the class. Okay. So this will be, now tell me in this which is y coordinate. In this two, which is y coordinate? I want everyone to respond fast. In this two, 1.5 and 4, which is y coordinate? Which is y coordinate? No one is present. Yes, 4 is y coordinate. So we have to write 1.5 into 4 cube divided by 12. You will get the answer here. Next is A2H2 square. A2 value is 1.5 into, what is this 8? What is, oh, so this answer is 8. Okay. So this is 8 centimeter to the power of 4. Next is area is 1.5 into 6 into this value is 0.06 the whole square. So this will be around 9 or something. You calculate this value, will get some less value here because this is 3.44 minus 3.5 is 0.06. This value is almost very less. So this whole answer is 0.03. Iftikhar Ahmed. Okay, done. So what is now Ixx2 is coming? Ixx2 is equal to 8 plus 0.03. The answer is the 8.03 centimeter to the power of 4. Now you got the value of ixx2, correct? You got the value of ixx2. Let us find the value of ixx3. What is ixx3? ICG3 plus A3H3 square. Okay. Now the third section was like this. Okay. Now this is third section, means the height of this is 1.5. Now tell me what is y coordinate in this section? What is y coordinate in this section? We have to find ICG3 na, then we have to find formula is BH cube by 12. Yes, very good. So 4 into 1.5 cube divided by 12. 4 into 1.5 cube divided by 12. What is the answer for this? H3 is equal to y bar minus y3 bar. Y bar answer is 3.44. Y bar answer is 0.75. Yes, this is 1.12. Next is A3H3 square. A3 value is 4 into 1.5 into 3.44 minus 0.75 the whole square. What is the value here you are going to get? 4 into 1.5 into 3.44 minus 0.75. So the value here it is 43.41 centimeter to the power of 4. Now what is Ixx3? You got the values. You just substitute the value 1.12 plus 43.41. What is answer you are going to get here? 44.53 centimeter power 4. You got Ixx3 also. Next you have to find Ixx4. Ixx4 is equal to what? You have got ICG4 plus A4H4 square. So what is your fourth section? Your fourth section was like this, whose length is 3 centimeter and sorry, thickness is 1.5. In this, among these two, what is y? Tell me now. If you identify y, very good. BH cube by 12. So that is 1.5 into 3 cube divided by 12. And H4 is equal to y bar minus y4. Y bar value is 3.44 minus 1.5. So what is the value here? You are going to get 1.5 into 3 cube. So this answer is 3.37 centimeter to the power of 4. Next is A4 H4 square. A4 value is 3 into 1.5 into, what is this value? 3.44 minus 1.5 the whole square. What is the answer you are going to get? 3 into 1.5 into 3.44 minus 1.5 the whole square. 16.93 centimeter to the power of 4. What is Ixx4 then? This will be 3.37 plus 16.93. So the answer will be 10, 9, 10, 13, 17, 20, 20.3, I think 20.34. We got the all values now. Now simply substitute Ixx is equal to Ixx1 plus Ixx2 plus Ixx3 plus Ixx4. You will get the answer. Tell me what is the answer. You have calculated, everyone calculated. Those who are actively participating, they are good for them, because this is directly a university question, which is very easy question. You can solve it very easily and you will get complete full marks for this. Ixx4 value is 20.3. is actively participating, some are actively participating, some are not. 44.53 is your IXX3, 44.53. IXX2 is 8.03, 65.1, 66.68 plus 8.03. So simply add them, whatever answer you are going to get, that is the solution. This is 44.53, this is 20.3. Now tell me what is the answer. This is 139.54 centimeter per. In this way, you have to solve the question. That's it. No need to bother about this question. Completed. Understood? Everyone understood this? If they ask about y-axis, what you will do? Simply will do Iyy is equal to Iyy1 plus Iyy2 plus Iyy3 plus Iyy4. They will ask either y-axis or x-axis alone. When they ask y-axis, you have to find only x bar. When they ask x-axis, you want to only find y bar. No need to go for the other section. If you want to be what we say sure, you can directly calculate both x bar and y bar. While calculating ixx and iyy, I've clearly given when I write x, you take y. When I write y, you take x axis. That's it. You can easily solve this. Anyone is having doubt? There is a good news for you. From 1st of this February, you will be having examinations, mid-2 examinations. Okay, the circular will be coming in a while. Today it will be finalizing. Today most of the time we will be finalizing the schedule and we will be sharing you in the group. So from between 1 to 5, between 1 to 5, there will be a chances of conduction of second unit examination, that is mid-2 examinations. Okay, no, it should be online itself. It will be, most of the time it will be online itself. So if things are going good, you will be having semester examination by 13th of February itself, if situations are going good. If not, we will be deciding that. So be prepared, don't take it. Mid exams will be online. Mid exams will be online. Semester exams will be offline. So start preparing. Don't waste your time sitting in your homes ideally. So be thorough with this. Okay. Start understanding. If you have any doubts, please comment in your groups and you can inform the faculty. A semester exam will be offline, Mahbub. Semester exam will be offline. Mid exam is online. Mid exam is online. We will be conducting through a website which is called as vMedulife, which will be given the ID